It's 3 in the morning. You're lying in bed staring at the ceiling. Your body is exhausted, but your mind is running a marathon. The more you try to force sleep, the more it slips away. And slowly, your bed, the one place that's supposed to be a sanctuary of rest, starts to feel like a battleground. If this sounds familiar, I want you to know it's not your fault. And there's a powerful, science backed reason this happens. Your brain has simply learned the wrong lesson. It's a process called associative learning, and we do it all the time without realizing it. Think about how a specific scent, maybe a perfume your partner wears, can instantly make you feel warm and loved, even when they're not there. Your brain has created a powerful link between that smell and that feeling. Well, the exact same thing can happen with your bed. If you spend hours in bed feeling frustrated, worried, or just plain awake, your brain starts building an association. It learns that your bed is a place for alertness and stress, not for sleep. So when you climb under the covers, it cues your brain to power up instead of power down. The good news is we can break this connection. We can retrain the brain. The technique is called stimulus control, and it's about making one simple, powerful rule. Your bed is only for sleep and for sex. That's it. No more working from bed, no more eating, and definitely no more scrolling through your phone or worrying about tomorrow. We want to re-establish the bed as a powerful cue for sleep, and we do that by creating a clear boundary. Another key is building a consistent evening routine, something you do every single night about an hour before bed. Maybe it's brushing your teeth, washing your face, and then reading a book for a bit in a comfy chair. This routine becomes a signal, a runway that tells your brain, okay, we're preparing for landing, it's almost time to sleep. Now, here's the most important and maybe the most counterintuitive part of the process. If you get into bed and you don't fall asleep within about 20 minutes, get up. I know it sounds crazy, but stay with me. Go to another room, keep the lights dim, and do something quiet and calming. Read a boring book. Listen to some soft music. The goal is to break the cycle of lying in bed feeling frustrated. You only return to bed when you feel that genuine wave of sleepiness wash over you. If you still can't sleep after another 20 minutes, you repeat the process. By getting up, you're refusing to let your bed be a place of wakeful anxiety. You're actively teaching your brain that the bed is for sleeping and only for sleeping. This takes patience, but it's one of the most effective ways to reclaim your sleep. You're not just fighting insomnia, you're building a new, healthier relationship with rest. If this idea of actively reshaping your sleep habits resonates with you, you won't want to miss what's next. We're going to dive into a technique called sleep restriction. It sounds intense, but it's one of the single most powerful methods used in sleep therapy, and it can truly change your life. But for now, just start with this one idea. Protect your bed. Make it your sanctuary for sleep. You might be amazed at how quickly your brain starts to get the message.